in the Jackson.
In this tutorial, I will show you that how to convert your LG G2 to LG G4. Basically, I'll put a new ROM in it. Its name is CLOUDY3.3, and when it will be installed in my device, so it will be totally converted into LG G4. So let's get started. You guys just need one file to download, and this ROM will be successfully installed in your device. Let me show you that from where you will get the file of this ROM. You just have to type this wait a minute, CLOUDY3.3/XDA, and you have to click this first link. And you just have to scroll down, and there will be a tab of download. So guys, as you can see here, the download button is here, and CLOUDY3.3 is mentioned there. Look, CLOUDY G2 3.3 is mentioned here. When you will click this file, it will be started downloading, and when you have downloaded this file, you just have to turn off your device. After your device is successfully turned off, so you just have to go into the recovery. You just have to click this power volume down button and this power button at the same time, and then it will boot into recovery mode. Look, recovery mode loading. So guys, over here there will be too many options displayed over here. You just have to go to wipe, advanced wipe, cache, data, system, delve cache. Do not select this internal storage because it can create some problems. So after you have selected these four options, you just have to swipe to wipe. After this process is done, you just have to install that file that you have downloaded. This is the file that I have downloaded. Oh, I share. Look, CLOUDY3.3. The operation may install uncompatible software and render your device unusable. So you don't need to worry about that. You just have to swipe it. And yes guys, you don't have to worry about the file link. I will put the link in the description. So don't worry about that. So this ROM installer is over here, and you just have to go into installation, and over here you have to select your variant, what variant you have. If you don't know what variant you are using, you just have to go to this system info, and over here it is displayed the model. So after doing this, you just have to select your model. My model is LS980. Next, and install. It will take almost 5 to 10 minutes, so let's wait for it. So guys, it's almost completed. It's 80% completed, and now it's finished. And after this installation has been finished, you just have to click next and reboot your device now and finish. is successfully installed, and it will took almost 2 minutes over here in this on this logo. So guys, it's now optimizing the app. That logo didn't got logo hang. It was this process was successful, and now it's saying Android is upgrading and optimizing apps 15 of 122. So this means that my ROM CLOUDY3.3 is successfully installed in my device. So let's wait for this optimizing the apps. So the optimization of the apps is almost completed. 118 apps of 122. So on 4 apps left to optimize. Been turned on successfully, and you have to select your language and let me connect my Wi-Fi. So over here it will ask you for an Gmail ID. If you don't have your Gmail ID, you can skip this login. So over here you have to put your Gmail ID. Let me put my Gmail ID. Ask for your Gmail backup. You have to select your Gmail backup over here, and just it will over here for restoring. It will take to 5 to 7 minutes because it's a long process of restoring your all data. So it is also a time consuming. So guys, it's asking for a knock code. You just have to skip this. If you want to do it, you want us to set up knock code, you can set up, and you can also put your phone name, what you want, whatever you want, and take done. So guys, as you can see, this ROM is successfully installed in my device, and in my data restoring is still in process. And this is the best ROM, really impressive ROM. So my LG G2 is successfully converted into LG G4. So guys, next video will be the review of this ROM. I'll put the review of this ROM in the next video, so stay tuned for that.